Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you have already watched my previous videos, thank you so much for coming back. Today I would like to share this strawberry chain bracelet, and just like most of the other designs with chains, it also has only 6 strings when you knot, and apart from the beginning where you have to set up 4 strings, because there are 4 colors, and the fact that there are a lot of forward backward and backward forward knot, once you remember, I think it is also pretty quick and easy to make. So hope you will enjoy making it with me as well. Alright, so let's get started. In order to make this bracelet, we need 4 strings. For the chain, which we use yellow here, we need 220 centimeters or 7 feet 2.6 inches. For the red, we need 150 centimeters or 4 feet 11 inches. For the white, for the seed color, we need 70 centimeters or 2 feet 3.6 inches. And for the green, we need 80 centimeters or 2 feet 7.5 inches. To make the initial loop, we set the strings as shown. Make sure you have the overlap of about 20 centimeters or 8 inches with white and green strings. Set the center of the red string next to the center of the overlap part of the white and green strings. Now use the yellow string and make 1 lark head knot onto these 3 strings as shown. Set up the strings to make the initial loop. Take the yellow string and make 6 backward-forward knots. You have short white string with long red and green string on this side. Now we flip over and work on the other side. Make sure you have the short green string with the long red and white strings. Make 6 forward-backward knots on this side. Form the loop and attach it firmly on the table. While doing this, make sure you separate the short strings coming out of the loop aside so that we don't knot together. Set up the strings as shown. From the right, it will be yellow, red, green, white, red, and yellow. Here, I knotted a few strawberries and back to the beginning. First, we take the yellow string on the left and make 1 forward-backward knot onto the red and white string. Now, take the green string and make 1 double forward knot onto the red and yellow strings on the right. Now, take the white string and make 1 forward-backward knot onto the red string on the right side to connect both sides. Now, take the red string on the left and make 1 forward-backward knot onto the white string. Use the same red string and make one backward forward knot onto the yellow string on the left. Take the red string on the right and make one forward backward knot onto the yellow string on the right. Now take the green string and make one backward forward knot onto the yellow string. Take the red string on the right and make one backward forward knot onto the white string. Now take the white string and make one double backward knot onto the red string on the left side. Now take the red string on the right side and make one forward backward knot onto the yellow string on the right. Now connect the two red strings in the center with either double forward knots or double backward knot. Now take the green string and make one double backward knot onto both yellow and red string. This will complete the strawberry motif. Now we make the chain part. Take the yellow string on the right and make 4 backward forward knots onto both red and green string. Now take the yellow string on the left and make 5 forward backward knots onto both red and white strings. After this, we're back to the beginning. Repeat the steps until it reaches the desired length. Alright, so here I finished knotting 8 strawberries and 7 chain parts in between, and made one more extra forward backward knot on the left side, and made 3 strand braids on both sides, and finish with the overhead knots as always. So I'm gonna just cut here. And also here. And it's done. So and if you already follow my Instagram account or TikTok account, you may already know that the strawberry chain bracelet is one of the 3 fruit-themed chain bracelet designs I've made and shared this week. And the other 2 are cherry and watermelon. And for these 2, I'm also planning to make the tutorials shortly and try to share them here as soon as possible. And next week, I'm planning to share 3 other food-themed, not fruits, but food-themed chain bracelets. And the following week, hopefully some others. I have about 15 still on my drafts on the bracelet book account, and I don't know if everything will be possible to share, but I'm working on them. So please stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you soon.